Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Freebeat, where I post new music-related content every single day. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Let's get started. Today we're going to do something really fun. It's inspired by a comment that I got on my 30-second note video, where we kind of cheated some 30-second notes out of the PO-20 arcade, which works for all pocket operators, actually. But the user Zmonths, hopefully I got that right, said that when they were trying to recreate the Lavender Town sequence from Pokemon Red and Blue, the original games, they used the double trigger function to kind of get a drone sound out of their pocket operator. So, you know, with the double trigger, you hold the step that you've got highlighted and you press BPM and you get it twice, 3 times, 4 times, or 6 or 8 times. And they did all those and got a drone out of it. So I thought it would be really fun to see if we could get kind of a drone sound out of some of the sounds that I've got on my PO-32 tonic here. Sounds kind of wacky, I know, but who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? I have not really tried this yet, so we shall see. I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit. So let's first start off with that snare drum. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to fill in every single step. Let's hit play. Let's turn the swing off, then hit play. Let's bump up the tempo all the way. Definitely no drones. I'm going to bring the tempo down to like 120, 131. There we go. Now I'm going to hold each step and double it. So I hold each step and tap BPM. It says T equals 2, which stands for trigger equals 2. AKA each step is going to trigger twice. So let's do this here. Now we're at 131. Let's listen. Let's bring the BPM back up. That's interesting. I'm going to hold right and move some parameters here, A and B on the knobs. Oh! Ooh, that's nice. That is wild. That's so cool. Yeah, so looks like parameter B there, knob B, kind of took the noise off. The patch I'm using, by the way, is still the Vic Magnificus patch, free patch you can download. I'll put a link to the video I did on that patch in the description below. Shout out to Vic again. Awesome patch. I love it. Let's go ahead and change these all to trigger equals 4 and see if we can get even more of a pitch out of this thing. That sounded so cool. Okay, so I've gone through and made everything equal 4. Let's bring the tempo back down to like 115, sure. All right, let's listen. Let's bring our tempo all the way up. So when you turn on the swing, it kind of like pulses it a little. How wild is that? All right, I gotta go in. I gotta know what 8 sounds like. So we're gonna go ahead and make each step equal 8. These are my favorite videos to film. I know you guys love the how to sequence, but I love getting wacky with these things because it's so cool. I mean, they're already wacky enough. You know, you have these full instruments, especially this one, a full professional sounding drum machine the size of a credit card that can also do this. Oh. Let's get some effects on there. Oh. Reverse does nothing. It just like mutes it. Interesting. I wonder why that is. This one's my favorite. We're gonna put right mode on and do that. Let's bring the tempo down. swing. Oh, dude, this is so cool. How crazy is that? Okay, we got to make a beat over this now, right? Like, that's the next logical step. Let's put a bass drum. Let's just boom, bat, boom, boom, bat. Nice and simple. Do we even need a hi-hat? Dear Lord, I don't think so. All right, we're going to go back to the hi-hat. And it's only going to be on off beats because we're already using the snare track for that craziness. So we're just going to get our snare sound from this. Oh my God. So that's no effects on it. That's nasty. So that sounds absolutely terrible, and it's awesome. And sorry if you guys can hear the maintenance crew outside mowing and blowing and I don't know, whatever they're doing out there. Well, there's only one more place we want to take this, I think. you guys knew the NTS-1 was coming. You saw it in the thumbnail. Let's make this happen, shall we? By the way, I'm loving the little 6-inch cable that the Volca keys came with. Very handy for connecting the NTS-1 and the Monotron to the pocket operators. God, I don't even know. Right into the flanger. Oh God, let's hit play. That's pretty cool. Let's mess with some reverb. Oh my God. Somehow that's groovy. Like, somehow I can't stop bobbing my head to that. Dare we do some delay? I don't know. Of course we're gonna do it. All right, let's get into that drone and all right, well, there we go. How fun was that? I don't really know what I'm going to call this video or what kind of category this fits into. Just kind of a fun messing around video with an that's still going. With pocket operators and the NTS-1. I hope you guys enjoyed this. That just shows how many versatile sounds you can really get out of these amazing pocket-sized instruments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If not, you can hit the dislike button. That's okay too. Doesn't hurt my feelings. Just makes me try that much harder next time. Either way, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Right now, we are currently at 995 subscribers. So by the time you're watching this, who knows? Oh, actually, we just gained another one. We're at 996 right now. So by the time you guys actually watch this, we might already be at 1,000. Either way, thank you so much to everybody who's been watching the videos, hitting the like button, leaving comments, clicking subscribe. Thank you all to my patrons as well. All of you are amazing, and thanks for joining this journey with me. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. We'll see you next time. Bye.